welcome to the very first edition of Making Instruments with Mr. Hoover. Today I have brought along my special helper, Noah, my son. Say hello, Noah.
Hi.
Today we're going to be starting with a pretty easy instrument for everybody to work with, I think. And if you don't have everything with you right now, it's okay. You can always come back later because this video will still be there. But what we're making today, boys and girls, are your very own shaker instruments so that you can shake it up at home and just go crazy. All right, maybe not go crazy.
Yeah, no.
but I think you know what I mean. It's just lots of fun. Just to shake along with your song. Don't annoy your family. You guys are stuck in the same house, and it's just going to get ugly. So
yes,
we're going to be using some different things that you might find at home. So you don't have to have anything special. You can make a shaker out of just about anything. And we're going to explore some different kinds of things that we can put in our shaker bottles that we're going to be using. And we're going to try some different size things so you can see how things might sound. So you have an idea about what you might like to try. Don't be scared to experiment for yourself. If you don't like something, try something different. It's easy. All right, so our first thing that we're going to be doing today is Noah chose a small container that we found downstairs. Noah found a little container downstairs that he could use to put stuff in. And I found another little container that we could put some things in. So, Noah, what have you decided that you want to try first?
I am going to try the rice.
So Noah has chosen to try putting in some rice into his. I think I'm going to try these dried beans that I found in a bag somewhere. I don't think my wife will miss them. So all you do is you put a few scoops of them in there. It doesn't have to be tons. And then you put the lid on. And then you shake, shake, shake. Now, you can always experiment and you can take those things out. And maybe I want to try these glass beads that we have here at home. And I'll zoom in so you can see those.
And I am going to try these cotton balls.
Oh, Noah's going to try cotton balls. All right, let's give them a try. All right, so now I don't hear anything. Oh. Well, I think this is actually too loud for me. So maybe what I'll do is I'll take a couple of the cotton balls that I have here, and I'm going to put them right here in the container with my beads, and let's see how that works.
And
Oh. And see, I like that sound way better than I did before when there was nothing in there but the beads. Listen again. Here's with the cotton balls. Here's without the cotton balls. Much better. Okay. So, let's put those ones aside. And now, Noah chose to use his empty tea bag container. Why don't you show them that? And I'm going to use this old candle tin that I have, which is also my wife's. Okay, so Noah, what are you going to try in yours?
I think I'm going to try the glass beads.
Oh, okay. He's going to try the glass beads inside there. Those ones you might just want to pick up and hold on to. And I'm going to be using these coffee beans. But boys and girls, please listen to me. Before you grab coffee from your parents, ask. Do not take their coffee.
Agreed.
So I've got some coffee in my tin. Noah's got some glass beads in his. Ooh, do yours. Oh, I
Too
find that
loud.
highly offensive. Now wait, before you go for the cotton ball, maybe you could try some of these. We have these foam cushions.
So I maybe will try those.
Why don't you do that while I show them my coffee beans. See, I like that. I like that a lot. So I think I just will leave that one the way it is. Yeah, that one's a given. That's a winner. All right.
Too loud.
It sure is. Now, wait a second. Before you do that, I think what they need to know is that the top and the bottom are metal. So when those glass beads hit that, it's going to make a lot of sound. So what I would do is I would put some cotton balls in the bottom and then put the glass beads in. And then I would put some more cotton balls on top. And what that's going to do is it's going to keep them from hitting the metal container full force and causing such a racket that it's going to wake up your baby brother or sister and make them start crying. I would say probably even more. More cotton.
No.
Give it a try. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to have to say I don't like that.
I don't either.
So let's try
scrap
something.
that one.
Let's try these wooden necklace beads that we have.
Actually, I think I'm going to try the foam.
Okay, go for it. So Noah has decided to put the foam cushion things in there to see what that does for his little container. This ought to be interesting. It's okay. It's not my favorite.
It's not my favorite either. But
Okay.
it's better than what I had before.
That's true. All right. So our next containers are, and once again, you need to ask boys and girls before you start grabbing these and make sure it's okay. But we have some empty medicine containers. And so, and you might need your parents' help to even open these up. But what we're going to do is we're going to try a couple different things in these ones. I think for this one, I will be trying... I'm going to try some of these metal bead blocks.
And I'm going to try some of these.
What Noah just said was he was going to try some plastic beads. So I've got wooden beads. He's got some plastic ones. All right, so let's go ahead and give a shake. Okay, well, let's hear mine.
That's not my favorite.
You know what I'd like to see now? I'd like to see what happens if you put even more beads inside yours.
Okay.
So Noah's just filled his, not all the way full, but fairly full. Oh, how did that change it?
Too loud.
It made it louder. What happens if you pour out half of those? Keep going. Yeah, let's try that. Oh, that's not so bad. All right. So I also wanted to see what would happen if I took some of these plastic beads and mixed them with my wooden beads.
I think this one's a winner.
Okay, set it aside. All right, so that's a little bit better.
Still not my favorite.
I still like it. It's got a nice sound to it. So we're going to put that one over there as well. All right. So our next containers are these. I found this old pink water bottle, and Noah found a big pumpkin sipper cup thing from the zoo. Okay, so I think for my bottle, I'm choosing to put some rice in this one.
And I think for my bottle, I'm going to choose some glass beads again.
Okay, give it a try. Ooh, that's loud. This might get messy.
Yeah.
All right,
I'm
give it a
not
try.
all that good.
Shake it up.
Still too loud.
It is pretty loud. There are some gourd instruments out there that make that sound, but that might be a little too loud for stuck inside.
Yeah.
Let's check out this bottle with the rice in it.
That's a little too
Well,
soft.
hold on. It might be, but let's try it this way.
Yeah.
So going this way doesn't work so well, but if you shake it sideways, it's a much better sound.
I don't think this is my favorite.
I really have not liked the glass beads in anything we've found so far. But going on to our next containers, tomorrow is Easter. And what's more Easter than Easter eggs? I brought along a green one. Noah, did you bring one?
Yes,
Noah,
I did.
What color did you bring?
I brought a yellow egg.
All right, well, what are you going to put in yours?
I am going to put glass beads in mine.
Oh. I'm going to take these bean seeds that we have, and we haven't planted yet, and I'm going to put those in my egg.
Sounds good, Mr. Hoover.
All right, give your egg a shot.
That's not
You
so
know
bad.
what? That's the first time I've liked those glass beads.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to try the bean seeds.
That's not my favorite.
Well, it's got a very maraca kind of sound to it.
It's got a maraca sound to it.
So if you're looking for a really nice maraca sound, you know what, boys and girls, you're probably going to have some Easter eggs sitting around. There you go.
Shake.
Give them a try. All right. Now, sometimes you don't even need to get a special container for them. Sometimes you might just want to grab something and, okay, ask first. But you might have a box sitting around of like macaroni and cheese that you haven't used up yet, or even maybe some rice. You know what? Give that a shake.
I don't mind that.
That's not so bad. And I have this little plastic baggie full of lids, plastic lids. And that's not so bad either.
No.
All right, now, just for fun,
Whoa.
I thought that we would take this really big jug and we would take all of these plastic beads and dump them in there. And we'll see what that does.
Wait.
Oh, yeah, that'll make a huge difference.
Wait.
All right, Noah, give it a shake. Woo! Okay, but wait a minute. I think you would agree that is a horrible sound.
Yeah.
It's so obnoxious. But what happens if we once again turn it sideways?
I think
still really obnoxious.
I think it's the worst we've ever had right now.
I'm going to put some cotton balls in there.
I don't think that amount of cotton balls is going to help.
Maybe not. All right, we're even going to put some of these foam things in there. Like a lot of them. All right, that's good. We don't want to overdo it.
No.
All right.
No.
It's getting better. So remember, the bigger container that you have, you might need more stuff to make it work so it's not really obnoxiously loud. Don't use glass, boys and girls, because if you drop that and break it, that could be really dangerous.
Yeah.
So make sure you're using something safe, like it's a metal or it's plastic. Anything like that would be best. So
Or cardboard, for that matter.
Cardboard would work. It would. You just couldn't get it wet, because then it would just be destroyed.
Yeah.
But boys and girls, we just wanted to make sure that you knew that you could still do some music stuff at home, and we're going to be showing you how to make more instruments next week. And I recommend that between now and then, if you have a cereal box or more than one cereal box, that you save those, and even see if you can find some rubber bands. And we're going to show you next week what to do with those. So for now, have fun with your own shakers, and we will see you next week.
And don't annoy your parents.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye.